Hello, this is Jose Saldana, and this is the video tutorial for week 3. And for this week, I would like to just briefly go over on how to use void extrusions. I think it can come in pretty handy. Um, so to get started here, I just have this house, and if I wanted to, for some reason, just want to create an opening here. Um, I can use the void extrusion tool, and to do that I would go into architecture, component, model in place, and for this it would just be a generic model. Okay, and then we just set the work plane, pick a plane. Okay, and then we want to select this wall here, and then we go where it says here void forms and select void extrusion. And let's say we just wanted to do a simple square opening here, and select that. And then so what we would need to do if we wanted an opening, we would need to cut away that section right there. So what we do is click the check mark first, and then kind of go to the side where we can kind of see what we want to cut out. So on each side we stretch it out so we can see part of it from each side, and stretch it over there just to make sure it goes through the wall. Can actually see there because of the roof, but you can pretty much see that's going to go through the wall. And so once that square goes through the wall, you use the cut tool there, select cut, you select the shape you drew, and on the wall where you want that hole to be, and there you go, there would be an opening right there. And then you just click finish model, and that's it. And yeah, you can pretty much do any shape. You can also, if you don't want to cut all the way through, you can cut halfway through the wall and have kind of like a fake window if you want it to look like a window from an outside, or you can be creative. But yeah, that's pretty much how I use the wood extrusions tool, and I hope it helps. Thank you.